Morning, folks. Blessed to wake, be free, and fish another day. We out here on the Ocmulgee River. Come out here, we're gonna hunt some huge shoalies. See if we can get them. We're on a hunt for a 20-inch. Try to get an award from Georgia for shoal bass. My buddy Nghia, he's up there parking the truck. So let's get out here and see if we can get them figured out. Let's do it. I haven't gotten anything rigged up yet. Can you do that real quick, no? Might want to do that, no? I'm gonna probably be throwing a Ned rig most of the day, no? You too? All right. Did you bring any jerk baits or anything? Because I definitely did not bring any jerk baits. Remember I told you I took all the stuff out? I brought a bunch of Joe flies. That ended up staying in there. Yeah. But I got this, so that'll work. I got my hooks and stuff, that'll work. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one right here. I'm just talking out loud. I'm recording, so I'm gonna be talking like I'm talking to somebody, but I ain't talking to nobody. All right. Oh man, check that out. It's already rigged up. All right, that's what I'm talking about, Cletus.
You ain't gotta protect me from Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Come over here.
Look, I'm gonna get brave today. We started with 4 rods, Nghia, okay? Yeah. We're gonna try to end with 4 rods. I already donated one last time I was here, didn't I?
Yes, sir, you did. But it was worth it. You got that show.
I did. You know what, man? It was a 19-inch, right? Yeah. Damn, 1 more inch, bro.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
You always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
That's what she said.
Nah, the 20-inch bass will get you a Georgia award. You get a little certificate. You get a little certificate.
Certificate.
Cool.
And you know, bragging rights. Something that I just want something to hang on my wall, bro.
Yeah.
No, you still got yours tied on. I still got mine tied on too. Can we? You think it'll work on this river? The CD5?
CD5 would work, but not Fire Tiger.
Why not? Why not Fire Tiger?
I don't know, man. The color's too bold. So this.
You think so?
I don't know. Maybe shoal bass like that. I've never.
You know, it's funny you say that because that 19-inch that I caught it on the on that chartreuse. That chartreuse general, remember? So I brought more of those. That's exactly what I'm gonna toss on and put on right now. If I could not, oh, there you go. And I brought a couple of I brought some flukes. Huh? Flukes.
Fancy on me, yeah? Is that what you doing now?
Trying to. I gotta try to do something to keep up with you and your fanciness over there.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl. This all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice. And look at
I'm like the old dude that shows up with just a John boat, no electronics, no nothing. Hey, let me tell you something, dude. Them dudes that show up like that, them old dudes that show up, no electronics, no nothing, them some of the most dangerous fishermen out there, bro, when it comes to tournament fishing.
I believe it.
Dangerous.
I believe you on that one, son.
And she's tied up. And she's rigged. Make sure our drag is set. Oh, look at that, see? Hey, do you release your drag when you're not using your reel? Okay. You know, for many years, I never did that.
Really? You just left it?
I just left it, not knowing. Until I started doing research and was like, yeah, I'm supposed to be letting this go. So that way it doesn't, the clarity of the water.
Yeah. That looked kind of stained, right?
Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get down here without breaking my neck. Yeah, but I mean, it all depends on what your definition of stained is. Your definition of stained may be totally different than mine, bro. Oh, lucky.
Okay.
Lucky. All right, let's go.
Yours first?
Nah, but put yours in first, no? Or what you want to do? All right. Oh, wait, let me put my paddle up here.
One out of the way.
There she goes. Ready? Take your time, take your time, take your time. Just slide that, yeah, slide that something bit down. There we go. You got it? You got it? There we go. Oh, hold on, let me get in the water. There we go. Which way? Hey, let her go. Let her.
Yeah,
I think we're good. All right.
Now for the supposedly easier one.
For the supposedly easier one?
You want to ask or
I'll
take the back.
You sure? All right. Ready? Let's go. Hey. Take your time, bro. I got it up here. Take your time, I got it. Go ahead. Oh. You got it?
You good?
Yeah.
Woo! Man, we really got to put a boat ramp.
Somebody gonna have to pay for that, no?
What's it make direction?
All right.
Now we're cooking.
Now you're cooking. Oh shit! I guess I should have put this back away first, no?
Yeah.
Lucky it didn't get lost.
That would have sucked, bro.
Yeah. It's all right. You know what? I think this will even be able to fit right there.
I like the way you do that right there, right there.
You know, Nick Cannon's having another baby?
Another one.
Another one.
Are you serious, for real? Seriously? Like, why doesn't he get fixed? Huh? 2 turtles? Turtle.
Turtle.
May I help you? Are you a member of the Turtle Club?
Well, not exactly.
Not exactly, but am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club?
Super shallow? It is, yeah. It is super shallow over here. Hey, something just blew up over there. Yeah. Is that the turtles you saw over there? Nope, that's a bass. I just caught him. Yeah.
Big one?
I don't know. Doesn't feel like a big one. No, it's a small guy. It's a little guy. If they have a tooth patch, that makes them a spotted bass?
Yeah.
That was a spotted bass. But they don't, isn't. You had one? Set the hook, Nghia. We talk about this all the time, bro. That's my man Nghia, AKA Set the Hook. Oh, got another. Hey, you know what? They like it. Okay, that's the second time that I got a bite on the Ned rig. But yeah, but they like it. They like it when it's swimming.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting here hopping it, no bites. As soon as I start reeling it in to do another cast, I'll get a bite. Yeah, man. That means they want it. Hey, I brought a bunch of extra ones this time. I'm not gonna run out. There goes one. Oh, this is a nice one. I think this is a shoal bass, no?
Yeah, they've got a black back.
Yeah, that's a shoal bass there, buddy. Nice little shoalie, but we're looking for a big shoalie, not little shoalie, big shoalie, Nghia, big shoalies.
Right behind that.
There goes one.
There you go, Ed. Get him. Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah.
Like what, 12 inches?
Uh-oh. Hey, we will take that. That's a nice little shoalie there. Let's get a picture with this guy here. Little shoal bass. All right. There goes one. Ooh, that was a good one that got off. That was a good one that got off, folks. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Hey, Nghia. It's a good one, bro. Chill out. It's a shoal. He is about 15. Whoa! Cool out, Raheem.
Yeah, well, I want to go pick up some party tapes from the record rack for my audition tape. You know what I'm saying? That's all right with you, Raheem?
Yeah, man, it's all right with me.
There we go. That's a nice shoulder. Come on, Cletus.
Hey, come on, Cletus. Come on.
Just trying to get a picture. Oh, there we go. Beautiful bass. Beautiful bass. There we go. There you go, there you go. There you go, Nghia. There you go. Is it a bass? Yeah, it is. It's a nice one. That's a nice one, Nghia. Can you get it? There you go. Take your time, bro. Take your time. Take your time.
Oh, yeah, you gonna stay crazy.
There you go. Oh, yeah, that's the one with no leader?
Yeah, no leader, baby.
You got the net?
You wanna get it on it?
I got one. Where's he at? Oh, that's a good one, bro. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one, man. There we go. There you go.
Appreciate you.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, shit. Don't do that.
You got, he's not going nowhere, right?
Yeah, he's good. Damn, bro, I just let it drift in the middle. I told you the big one on the bottom. There we go. What the fuck's my pliers?
You don't need no pliers. You don't need no pliers.
Here's your badge. Badges? We don't need no stinking badges. Oh, no.
How big you think he is? You want to measure him?
I got a board.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it 20? Nah, he's gonna be about 17 maybe, maybe. 15, that's a good one though. Let me get a picture with you. Oh, uh-oh. Chillax, bro, take it easy. We're gonna put you back. Here, let me put my, yo, I almost pulled your move, Nghia. Yeah. Last time we was out here. No, didn't that what happened last time we were out here? Yours took off on you. I had to go, remember? All right.
Maybe bleeding out.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Bye-bye.
All right.
Release. There you go.
We're gonna go under that rock and stay there for about a day or two. His head hurt. You got a headache right now. Okay, Nghia. Leave your kayak there so it can hold my kayak.
COD. Baby.
So the rod that I grabbed is a lot more of a moderate rod. So if you jerk it real hard like that, all you're doing is bending the rod. No bueno? Oh, got one. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, he's got look, he's got the whole damn kayak going around.
Keep your rod tip up. Take your time. I'm coming in with the net. Oh shit.
It's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. I got a net right here.
Yeah, you want me to do it?
If you want.
All right.
Trying to fight whatever it is. I can't even move him. Whatever it is, I can't even move him, bro. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Okay, come on, baby. Oh shit, he's running.
I think it might be a carp.
A carp?
It might be. It might be.
Shit, oh, you hit a carp, bro.
He came up, I told you. I told you they'll hit it if they're aggressive enough.
Oh shit, bro. Damn, you going for a sleigh ride.
Oh, as soon as I put my hand on the damn reel.
Yeah. You should have known, man. You should have known.
I think it was a carp.
Yeah.
I think it was a carp.
Like a bass.
Nah, it didn't.
Wow.
It's all right.
I'll go straight braid too.
Damn.
Yeah, I was like, ain't no way that's a fucking bass.
I don't think that was a bass, dude. I don't think that was a not a river bass. I don't think that was a bass. I mean, it could have been a gar.
Yeah, could have.
Oh, whatever it was, man. I shouldn't have touched the damn reel.
You just tired it out. That's the thing about saltwater fishing too. You can't fucking.
No, you gotta just let it happen. Man, that joint got me all nervous. Look, got my adrenaline all pumping.
Dude, I was getting ready with the net.
Fridge to just break off, bro. That's whatever it was, bro. Whatever it was. You think it was a bass, Nghia? I don't think it was a bass.
Nah, he wasn't sound like a bass. You would have ran more if he was a bass.
Well, usually at some point they'll jump too, won't they?
Right, they'll try to breach the water.
Right. That never happened. Maybe it was a big ass catfish.
I didn't see color, bro. I didn't see any fucking color.
Damn, Nghia, I should not have touched the damn reel.
No, you shouldn't have.
That's all right.
I wonder if there's a nice tourist behind that. Electrician line on the street there.
Oh yeah, I might have to go straight braid.
What's that?
He broke the braid.
Braid?
Yeah. Maybe he got caught on something? Nah, because it happened as soon as I damn touched it.
Might have been braid.
Could have been. Possibly. Probably. With all the rock that we've been fishing, yeah, probably. Whoa! Whoa! Bro, I just hit a shoal bass that must have been about 17 inches with my paddle. It was right here. Big ass shoal bass. folks, we made it safely. Here's the end of the float. Beautiful day, hot. Caught a bunch of shoalies, bunch of small ones, decent sized 15-incher, and a bunch of small ones, so we can't complain. It's hot out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, please. And until next time.
Saying nothing but the END. So follow me into the sun and let your soul be free. The END, the END, the END, the END, the END.